So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. We have with us Janaki Sampath Kumar. She's 75 and from Bangalore. And she was taking BP medication from 28 years. And medicine was 80 mg Volsar H. In first 3 months, 75% medicines were tapered and 5 mg Stamlo. In first 3 months, 75% medicines were gone. And today, all her medication of BP is gone, which she was taking from 28 years. She's 75. Okay, uric acid was very high and she was taking Febujet 40 mg for 2 years, stopped in first month, right? Vitamin tablets she had for 2 years, Omega, Osteofit and Dubacat, it was all removed in first month. Energy levels are good, sleep is good, lower back pain is better, and lost some weight also and feels good and energetic. Amazing, Janki, so proud of you. Over to you. So how has been your journey? If you can please unmute yourself. Yeah, over to you.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good
evening. Nice to have getting opportunity to talk to you.
Same here.
I should thank Go Nature and Vishal ji and Dr. Jyoti for assisting me in reducing my BP tablets. That was my first aim. Now that I have stopped all the medicines with the diets given by Jyoti ma'am, I am really delighted to, very happy that I've stopped the medication. And I do yoga regularly and go for walks. And since last week, I started an aqua fitness also.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm very, very happy. And I advise all people who are on medication to approach Go Nature and stop medication so that they can lead a good, happy and healthy and long life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Janaki. Thank you.
Amazing. So, usually when I say BP tablets, BP, heart, everything is interconnected, right? So at the age of 75, I think age is just a number. And thank you so much for achieving this, Janaki, and coming here and sharing your experience, because people usually don't believe, how it's possible, because there's so much in fear and kaise taper hoti hai. But there is a science for everything. So let's come to the angel coach who has done this miracle. Let's come to Jyoti Chaudhary, ma'am. She's not a doctor, I think by mistake, Janaki ji said. She is a food nutritionist and she's HOD of Go Nature. So over to you, Jyoti madam.
Yeah, thank you so much, and very good evening to each one of you in the room. And good evening, Janaki. It's actually a delight to see you. At age 75, I think, are you retired from Union Bank? I think, in 1996. Yeah.
Right.
So at age 75, Janaki, you actually are an inspiration for each member sitting in the room and anybody who will watch on YouTube. At this age, you are so determined. You are your will to overcome all issues, your energy levels. And one thing I really observed through these 5 months were that you are very disciplined, very obedient, whereas obedient student, which means whatever given to you, whatever told to you, you just followed, kind of to the T. So I think because of your determination, because of your will to overcome all your health issues, I think, and especially the BP medicine, which you have been having for the last 28 years, it's all possible because you really wanted to do it. I was just a medium, but thank you so much for showing this grit, showing this really that wo jazba, I don't know whether you understand this word. The jazba to overcome this health issue is really marvelous and very encouraging and inspiring for all of us. So thank you so much for being here, Janaki. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
Thanks for your guidance too.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Janaki. Thank you so much, Jyoti.
Thank you, Vishal, for giving this opportunity. I think it really means a lot. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks always. Thanks always.
So everybody just type MPTY in the chat box. 2 people standing in front of you and telling how it was possible.